Welcome to the 1 a.m. Wake Up, an integrative case study on maintenance insomnia. We analyze a specific recurring trauma, waking in the deep night with a racing mind, through three lenses: the somatic, the Eastern, and the Western. We follow a diagnostic arc with 4 phases: identifying the pattern, auditing the structure, decoding the chemistry, and synthesizing the cure. This integrated approach allows us to address the root causes of the 1 a.m. wake-up. Maintenance insomnia is defined by normal sleep onset, followed by involuntary waking between 1 a.m. and 3 a.m. The sensation is often a racing mind and heat in the chest, with triggers being late-night mental work or intense training. A key factor is that the condition significantly improves only when the room is very cold. The structural audit reveals the body is physically locked in a state of high alert. This structural locking, characterized by military posture and a closed gait of life, compresses the vagus nerve, preventing the downregulation required for sleep. Symptoms include chronic tightness in the diaphragm and jaw tension. We explore the paradox of performative force. When practices meant to cultivate internal flow become performative and muscular, the external force, or Li, stokes internal fire through tension, instead of calming the water through relaxation. The Eastern diagnosis is Yin deficiency with empty fire. Chronic stress has dried up the kidney water, the body's cooling system. Without this water to anchor it, the heart fire, the spirit or Shen, floats uncontrollably upward. The key concept is that the person is not just hot, but dried out. The 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. window belongs to the liver. The liver blood stores the Hun, or ethereal soul, during sleep. If the liver is deficient and dry, the Hun has no comfortable home, resulting in a sudden, wide-awake state as the Hun flies away. Reading the interior signs in TCM reveals a red body and thin yellow coating on the tongue, indicating heat. The pulse is fine and rapid. The subject experiences 5 center heat, which are burning sensations in the palms, soles, and chest, and tendencies toward dry stools and a dry throat at night. The Western diagnosis is chronic secondary insomnia and burnout syndrome. The HPA axis is hyperaroused, causing a cortisol rebound around 2 a.m. The brain perceives deep relaxation as a threat and dumps adrenaline to wake the body, keeping brainwaves stuck in alpha, unable to access deep delta sleep. We see one mechanism explained in 2 languages. Kidney water deficiency maps to adrenal exhaustion, floating heart fire to sympathetic overdrive, and a fine, rapid pulse to low blood volume and stress hormones. The synthesis is clear, whether called empty fire or HPA axis dysregulation. The solution requires cooling and hydrating the system. The first action in the cure is the sonic purge, using the 6 healing sounds. Specifically, the Shu sound targets the liver to clear heat and anger, and the He sound targets the heart to settle the fire. The goal is to use vibrational frequency to physically vent excess pressure before sleep. To anchor the spirit upon waking, your intention is to not fight the waking. The technique involves placing hands on the lower dantian, visualizing a cool blue ball of water, and guiding the breath down to the soles of the feet. This pulls energy out of the racing mind and anchors it in the physical body. Protecting the Yin, or recovery resources, is critical. The protocol requires 0 intense training or screen time in the 3 hours before bed. These activities stimulate the HPA axis and consume the cooling fluids needed for the liver to house the soul. The integrated cure for the 1 a.m. wake-up is not a sleeping pill. It is the alignment of structure, chemistry, and intention. Calm the water to house the soul, open the Mingmen to release the pressure, and anchor the Yi to survive the night. Don't let these life-altering insights stay away from you because you are not subscribed. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming videos in this series.